Okay, so I had a question about how to make an add-on panel 1.5 inches thick. That's a pretty straightforward one. So you go to your settings tab, you see under your materials what the door material template is set at. So right now I have it at 19 mil 19 mil painted. So I'm going to go material templates. Then I'm going to go here, I'm going to make sure I have that one highlighted. Usually it would pop up automatically. Just click new. I'll just call this 1.5 add-on panels. Okay, so it basically just copies the same template over. This one here, panelized end, is the one that you're going to want to edit because this is what's going to drive the add-on panels. So we select this one, we go to our selected material, and in here I have 1.5 inch somewhere. So 1.5 inch MDF, so that changes the thickness of that. And right now my wall is going to do the same thing for the uppers. So let's click OK. And we're going to change our door template to the one I just made, 1.5 add-on panels. And it's just going to update, and then you can see it's updated to 1.5 inch add-on panels on the ends. So if I go over here to my products tab, everything that's got an add-on panel that's driven by it has to be driven by, let's double click here. It either has to be here, shape, applied door, where is it? Applied door, or it has to be driven by the parameter. Under your parameters, doors for finished, doors for all finished ends. Those two parameters that will drive an applied door to be 1.5 inches. So works pretty good. It may not be what you need. You'd have to, like, it will export out to the cut list if you needed to, if you can get 1.5 inch material in and just cut it to size, and then you'd be totally good to go. All right, thanks.